Hi everyone. I wanted to share with you just a few clips from training Lara yesterday in the bathrooms. Learned a couple of things. One is it's very hard to train and hold the camera at the same time. I should have gotten a tripod, which we will have tomorrow when we train her the dusting. But I wanted you to see how well the training kit works and how little I had to tell her to get started. She had seen it all in the kit. So I only have a couple of segments here. The other ones were totally unusable, but that's what I'd like you to see. I will show you when I got her set up and how nervous she was and how I tried to calm her down. And then a couple of clips about how she was able to figure out on her own what to do without me having to guide her, which is the true value of her shadowing Bella and the professor and them explaining all of it instead of me. While she was watching that, I was busy doing other things for my other company. So, I hope you enjoy that.
Follow the raw, real, and unfiltered story of building a cleaning business from the ground up. This is Reality Cleaning Biz Playbook. Learn the lessons, face the challenges, and see what it really takes to succeed. Here's your host, Sharon Tinberg, ready to take you behind the scenes.
So, I don't know why I'm so nervous.
Because how can you not be nervous? I don't know if person I watch who isn't. If you were watching me and videoing me, I'd be
nervous too.
I'd be very nervous.
But you have to pre-treat sink, shower, and toilet, and we're not.
So my first question is, does that need pre-treating?
Well, I mean, it says to do it in here, and I wanted to get in the habit of doing it, but no, abrasive would work. I think Comet would be fine.
If it does not need pre-treating, don't get in the habit of doing that.
Okay.
Because the way Tilex gets all over people's homes is people use it where it isn't needed.
Okay.
Okay, so if you see a spot, treat it. But if you don't, yay, this is a fast bathroom.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Do I need to put the toilet bowl cleaner in the toilet?
That I would say yes to.
Okay.
And you need to check your bathtub, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I'm actually going to do that right now. It looks good to me too. I mean, there's a little bit right there, maybe in here.
I don't think you're going to have any trouble with that.
I don't either. Yeah, okay.
Maybe a little bit of mildew, but I don't think so. We'll see what happens.
We'll try it without it. I don't do that because there's not a sink.
No.
So then I come back over here, lift him up, and I'm going to spray it all in here.
And
Shower, sinks, tubs, and toilet. Not toilet.
Very good. Okay.
So now I need to start with the door and shine everything.
There you go.
Okay, so I'm going to start with the door with this.
Well, now you want to prepare your apron and put everything you need, right?
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab, okay, you need one wet and one dry to dry with. So that is what I'm going to do.
Start with 2 nice fresh towels, not the one that you're
Not the one that,
with.
okay.
You need 2 nice, you need dry towels to start out with on the shine step. They're going to get wet fast enough.
Okay, so here are my 2, these. Now.
You put those in your pocket, fold them and put them in your pocket separately. I'm going to put both of those in one pocket.
Oh, okay, I thought you said separate, my bad.
No, because you're going to want one pocket for your glass cleaner.
Yes, but now do I do the glass cleaner now?
Yes, same
Okay,
time.
so he's part of the shine.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Don't pass it, clean it. Okay?
Okay.
So that's not a glass cleaner cloth.
Nope,
though,
it's
is
sure
it?
not. And I do know which ones are. They're the ones without the fur.
Yeah, that's right.
That's how I notice them. So now with this, I am going to spray one and leave one dry, right?
Well, you're going to leave them both dry right now.
One? Okay,
Yeah, I think
okay.
you need one
I'll do-
glass cleaning
I'll do
cloth,
that.
but I take 3 of the other cloths.
Okay, you got it. You got it. Because you...
And then put your glass cleaning cloth
Now,
away?
I'm going to put my glass cleaning cloth away. And I will figure out all my pockets soon. And then I'm going to... Do I leave that there?
Yes, you do, right by your toilet, but you need your disinfectant cleaner.
Okay, now I filled him up this morning and put him in here. Here he is.
And that hangs in your loop.
Okay, and the loop is... Did I get it?
There's a
I'm,
loop. Well, yeah, the looper right there. And then now you need your feather duster and your whisk broom.
My little feather duster and my little whisker. I love the feather duster.
Yeah, they're great.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
Okay, so where do you start?
At the door.
Perfect.
Okay, so since I started at the door, I'm going to do the outside of the door. Do I spray? Or because I don't see anything on here.
Okay, so if you don't see anything on there, then you don't
Oh,
wipe
no,
it.
don't do that.
Remember?
Oh, I don't even have to wipe it? Okay.
Not unless you see something.
Okay, cool.
But you always have to do the door hand,
hand.
and that has to be done with disinfectant cleaner. So
Okay.
yes, you do spray some on your towel.
Okay. Now, do you want me to drench it or
Put
just
your towel,
dampen
put your
it?
cleaner, put that back in your loop.
Okay. Do you want me to dampen this or just...
You got it dampened, that's good. And then just a little bit around the outside of that because people might automatically, you can't see it, but it's automatically.
Absolutely. Grease your fingers.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay. Now, I like to go this way.
Okay.
So, since a while ago, I don't see anything, but you told me I can do this with my hands, so I'm going to start here.
Perfect.
I'm going to go over it. And then I will...
Now, you have to either use your feather duster or your glass cleaner for the glass cover. You can't just let it go. Now, put that other towel away so you can hold it with one hand. Hold the picture with one hand. And then just actually long swipes. You don't want to be a French maid. Just like that. Perfect. Okay?
Okay.
Now
I'm going
next?
to put this up. And then I'm going to go back to here, my blue rag, and then I'm just going to start.
Please join me live tomorrow at 10 o'clock for our first live podcast where I'll be training Lara how to dust. I will show you the entire process. You will be able to join us for about 30 minutes. It is probably how long it will take her to learn the first room or two. And she will have watched the videos before I start training her. So if you'd like to see what she saw, simply go to our website and order the free trial, www, of course, .cleansmartacademy.com. Order the free trial and look at the dusting. Watch the animation and cruise through the manual real quick, and you'll see what she saw and where I can start with her and why I don't have to show her how to dust. So, or if you want to have us demo it real quick this afternoon, give us a call or email us. Thanks for watching this. I hope you're learning something about how you can emancipate yourself from training hours, and wasted money. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy training.